I got this pint glass for my husband's birthday. He's a huge golfer. So this is made in a Wisconsin factory. It is made by hand. And so you can see the golf ball, it's a real Titleist golf ball, is stuck in the glass itself. It's a nice thick glass. This is the bottom right here. You could see it on either side. You do need to hand wash this. You can't put it in the microwave, but I thought this is a really unique gift. It's a nice and tight, so this is great for the golfers in your life. Great for Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, Boss Appreciation Day, just great gift. And you can even get a whole set of these, which would be kind of cool. So anyway, real golf ball, handmade, and it tells you right in the directions, besides being careful not to throw it in the dishwasher. It also says right here to avoid ice dispensers, microwaves, and clumsy friends. And they even sent you a little note and a cocktail recipe as a thank you.